In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view active sessions in Claude Desktop step by step. This is really useful if you want to check where your account is currently signed in, review active devices, or make sure everything looks secure. If you've ever wanted a quick way to manage your Claude account activity, this tutorial will walk you through it in just a moment. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Claude Desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or your account name there. Go ahead and click that profile area to open your account options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you into Claude Desktop's Settings area, where you can manage different parts of your account and app preferences. Inside Settings, look for the account options on the left-hand menu and click it. This section contains your account information and security-related details, so it's the right place to check for session activity. Now just scroll down slowly until you see Active Sessions. Depending on your screen size, this may take a little bit of scrolling, so take your time and look carefully. Once you find Active Sessions, you'll be able to view the sessions currently associated with your account. This is the section you want if you're checking where you're logged in or reviewing any active access. If you're managing your account security, this is a great habit to build. It helps you stay aware of your logins and gives you more control over your Claude account. And that's it. Now you know how to view active sessions in Claude Desktop. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.